Hi everybody, today I'm showing you one of the games from our resource centre at Down Syndrome Queensland. If you'd like to borrow any of our resources, simply phone Georgie at the office and organise that with her. This game is called Jack and the Beanstalk and it's a matching shapes game. In the game you get a selection of two-dimensional shapes, a base for the beanstalk, the clouds for the beanstalk, and all the pieces to put in between. You get 20 shape cards. And that's it. Oh, and a spin. Before you play the game the way that it's suggested in the box, I would suggest that you play games learning about the attributes of each of the shapes. So for example, talking about a rectangle having two sides, two short sides, two long sides. Maybe about talking about it being an oblong, a rectangle, comparing it to a square, four equal sides. And then I would play games like memory, because you can use these cards, set them out as you would any other game of memory, and you could have a go at matching the cards. So you could take it in turns to say things like, I can find a circle. Here is my circle. And then the other person takes a turn. I can find a triangle. Here is a triangle. Once you've made sure that the children understand what the names of the shapes are and their attributes, for example, the fact that they have a rectangle has two short sides, two long sides, a triangle has three sides, those sorts of things, then you can go to playing the game. So each player in the game has 3 cards. And these shapes are all in the bag. And the children take turns at pulling one shape out at a time. This is helping them to learn how to take turns in a game, how to follow instructions. So they put their hand in, they pull out a shape. Okay, so I have a rectangle. My shapes don't involve a rectangle, so I have to put it back in. The next person takes their turn. Here we are. I have a shape that has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is called a pentagon and it matches up with my pentagon. So now that I've done that, I get to put the first shape, the first piece of puzzle onto Jack's beanstalk. So here we go. And the next person takes their turn until one of the people playing the game has all of the shapes on their cards. Once they've done this, so for example they've played the game, they've identified their shapes, they get to work out whether they're going to put the top piece on and be called the winner. So the way they do that is they get the spinner, and you can see it's got the giant and Jack, Jack and the giant. So you spin that, I've landed on the giant, which means that everybody playing the game says fee, fi, fo, fum, and they all get to have another turn until it comes back to my turn. When it comes back to my turn, I spin again. And this time I've managed to land on Jack, which means I'm the winner of the game. Yay! So I put the final piece on, and there we are. Don't forget, if you'd like to borrow this resource or any other resources from our resource centre at Down Syndrome Queensland, phone Georgie at 3356 6655 and organise that with her. Thank you for watching. Bye.